A debt-free life. It sounds amazing, right? But for many of us, getting there can feel like an impossible mountain to climb. You have multiple accounts, different interest rates, and it's hard to know where to even start. That's where a good debt payoff plan comes in, and with the right tool, it doesn't have to be complicated. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to set up a debt payoff plan using PocketGuard so you can stop feeling overwhelmed and start seeing real progress. PocketGuard is a great tool because it integrates directly with your accounts, so it does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. First things first, you need to add your debts to the app. In the app, you'll find the debt payoff section, which is a key feature of PocketGuard Plus. You'll be prompted to enter all of your credit cards, loans, and other debts. For each one, you'll add the name, the current balance, the minimum monthly payment, and the annual percentage rate, or APR. Be sure to list them all out, because the more information you provide, the more accurate your plan will be. Once all your debts are in there, PocketGuard will automatically show you a summary of your total debt and the total of your minimum payments. This gives you a clear, honest picture of your starting point. Now for the strategy. PocketGuard offers two of the most popular debt repayment methods, the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The snowball method focuses on paying off your smallest debt first to build momentum. The avalanche method, on the other hand, prioritizes the debt with the highest interest rate, which saves you the most money in the long run. The app will calculate and show you a payoff schedule for both, so you can see the difference in total interest paid and your debt-free date. This is super powerful because it helps you choose the strategy that's right for you. After you pick a strategy, the next step is to define your debt payoff budget. PocketGuard makes this easy by showing you your leftover money. That's the money you have available after your bills, savings goals, and regular expenses are covered. You can choose to allocate some of this extra money to your debt payments to speed up the process. Just slide the bar or enter an amount and watch as your debt-free date gets closer in real time. It's incredibly motivating to see that instant change. PocketGuard will then generate a personalized payoff schedule for you, which you can even download. It shows you exactly which account to pay each month and how much to pay to stay on track. Finally, track your progress. The app will keep a running tally of your debt reduction and show you how far you've come. Seeing those numbers go down and your payoff percentage increase is the best kind of motivation. Getting out of debt isn't about magic, it's about having a solid plan and sticking to it. PocketGuard provides the framework and the tools to make that plan not just a dream, but a reality. With just a few simple steps, you can start